Welcome to the world of exquisite siding solutions, where your vision comes to life. At Magnolia Home Remodeling Group, we believe that your house should be a reflection of your style and a source of pride. That's why we specialize in exceptional siding installations to help you enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. Choose the siding that suits your unique taste and architectural style. Whether you prefer the classic charm of vinyl siding, the timeless elegance of fiber cement, or the rustic appeal of wood. We combine top quality materials with expert craftsmanship to create a durable and visually captivating exterior that stands the test of time. Our expert team will guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the ideal siding that enhances the beauty of your home. Are you ready to give your home a remarkable exterior makeover? Contact Magnolia Home Remodeling Group today and let us transform your home. Your dream exterior awaits.